So if you saw my short, I am back in New Orleans. I came for a conference, and I'd already had a trip planned with some friends for next week. So I decided to take some cooking classes in between my conference for work and my vacation. It has been a beautiful time in the city, touring the Garden District and the French Quarter. After every class, I had enough food at each of these things that I really just had a small meal later in the day, and that was it. I'm going to go over a little bit about what I learned to cook, and let me know if there's any of this that you would really like me to explore. So this was a sweet potato and tasso bisque. This was why I took this class. I was absolutely in love, and it was so worth it. And then some grillades over cheesy grits, and I learned to poach an egg. I'm so excited about this egg. It turned out beautiful, didn't it? And then the very dramatic and very New Orleans bananas Foster. This was so much fun. And, well, exciting. Seeing this flame and the sparks from the spices, this was a lot of fun to make, and it was absolutely delicious, served over ice cream. I was fortunate enough to get to make the bananas Foster again, but we served it a little different. On day 2, we have a crawfish pie, which was absolutely divine, and then a seafood gumbo. Probably won't do this exact thing at home because I'm not sure where to get crab like that at home. But day 2's dessert, we served that bananas Foster over some crepes. I actually learned how to flip a crepe. That was actually really exciting too. But this was a beautiful town. The weather varied dramatically each day. This final day was a lot of wind. But let me know if there's anything that I learned on this trip that you would like me to show in more detail. Thank you so much.